Ganda ng drummer, oh. Ganda ng singer. Are you ready? General Luna Band, we go! Live, ah?
Sensational dream before your eyes. And who will break down these walls? It's everybody but you and I. So who will break down these walls but you and I? Nobody. Oh, who will break down these walls but you and I? Nobody.
General Luna Band! Galing, ah. Ha? Imported? Palabano! Nicole, Alex, Karen, of course, Audrey, Bea. Drums, si Bea pala sa drums, ang galing ni Bea, ah. Turuan mo nga ako, Bea, mag-drums. Si Audrey, rhythm guitar. Karen, guitars, okay? Lead guitar, Alex, bass, and Nicole, vocals. Wow, all lady band. Oh, mga babies. Wow, galing. Thank you, ladies. Thank you very much. Galing, no? Akin na yung album nila. Ba't hindi ako binigyan ng album? Akin yan, ha? Baka walang laman yan.
Ang taas ng boss ng babae.
At nakita mo, inaasikaso sila.
Kaya nga, tayo, wala man lang tubig. Diyos ko, gutom na nga tayo.
Kasi si Ate Kate, hindi naman suot, parang taong grasa lang.
Mamaya na yun. Yung pakilaman yung mga walang kwenta.
Ano ba
General
yan?
Luna Band, ito po, ang kanilang city. Again, ano yung kinanta nyo ngayon? Anong song yun?
Different corners po.
Different Corners. So, Cat 1 yan, okay? Ito na po, Under Warner Music Philippines. Ito po ang album nila. Sana makabili kayo. Palapakan natin again, General Luna Band. Thank you so much. What? Pwede sila sa Will W Bar, ah. You have to see the place. Gandang lugar. Yung aking bar. Sa malapit lang yan sa ano, ABS. Yung tapat ng Will Tower Mall. Tapos yung bandang kaliwa, malapit sa GMA, Wilson-Benz Place. Nice place. Sobra.
Tara. Sige.
Lahat ng instrumento, high-end. Lahat ng sound system. Di ba? Napunta na kayo doon, di ba, Katya? Bigyan mo yung mic mo.
Yes.
Okay,
Umayaw na
diba?
kami doon.
High-end.
Nice place, sobra. Hindi, para sa inyo.
Bukas
Talaga,
na.
ano. I think we have, maybe by July or August, side A, freestyle, Sabor Latino, lahat ng mga band. Duncan and Usher. Usher Cruz. Eto na ho, ang inaabangan po ng mga daga at pusa.
Inaabangan ng maniningil.
Eto na po, please welcome Ethel Buba, Ate Gay, and Chocolate!
Let's go.
Wow!
First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. Ano to? And I learned how to get love. And so you're back from outer space. Come on. I just walked in to find you here when I said, look upon your face. You should have named that stupid love. I should have made you. Now, I'm Luma. You'll be back to bother me. Go down the road. Walk out of the. Come on, let's play it. Turn around now. Sure, I want come and love. Want you to want to try to hurt me, but. Ooh, think I lay down and down. Know that I was a man. Oh, when love is on a holler. I got all my life. I was a man. Hey, hey.
Dali na, malalaglag ako. Thank you.
And here's
Chocolate.
Chocolate, yay!
Wow, yes, professional singer.
It would be better if we stopped seeing each other. If you had only met me first when you were free. Because now you've got commitment. I should not expect things from you. Then you can't give to me. Oh, but baby, can't you see? I can say goodbye to you. No matter how I try, you're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can tell you goodbye. Ladies and gentlemen, Jessica Sickly Sanchez.
Sickly.
Ano ba yan? Shouldn't stay. Paano?
I hold on, leading your way.
Pwede na pong lumapit sa mga kamag-anak.
But I know
Come on, Jessica.
I'll think of you every step of the way.
Yung mga bata, ihakbang na po.
Pearly shells from the ocean, shining in the sun,
Ang tagal naman matapos.
covering the shore, bittersweet.
Ano ba yan? Kung saan ang pupunta?
Ang bagal naman ang kumakanta.
Memory.
Ano ba talaga kakantahin mo?
I'm thinking so goodbye, please don't cry.
May iba palang damit yung babae sa Balete Drive.
I'm not what you need.
ocean, shining in the sun,
Guard, guard.
in the shore. When I see you, my heart tells me that I love you more than all. I was in a pearly shell.
Halika. Alam mo, mag-back up kayo sa akin. Hindi naman puro pinagkakanta mo, hindi ka sigurado.
Back up?
Back up.
Halika, Ethel. Dito tayo.
Vocals, back up vocals.
Okay. Akala ko back up.